guys, welcome to my channel Shonuma Kitchen. Today I'm going to prepare a very delicious recipe, that is methi chicken, and for that we need these ingredients. First of all, we have 500 grams of chicken washed, cut into pieces. Then we have onion, one medium size, again cut into pieces. We have 200 grams of curd, one medium size tomato cut into pieces. Then we have methi leaves, dried methi leaves. Along with that, haldi powder, red mirch powder, then dhania and jeera powder, and a pinch of garam masala, salt, methi seeds, and a little bit of sugar for color. Now again we have to take here all the ingredients, like one small onion, one tomato, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, and one green chili. Now we are going to make a paste of it, and that paste again we are going to use in our chicken. Now let us start. Let us put the pan over the fire. Now to the pan we will add around 2 tablespoons of white oil, refined oil. You can use mustard oil as well if you want. Then to that we will add 2 bay leaves. We'll wait for some time. Let the oil heat. After that we will add a little bit of methi seed into the oil, and we will wait for the methi seed to be turned into brown. Let the methi seed crackle. We'll wait for some time. When it will turn brown, we will add a little bit of sugar to it for the color. So let us add the sugar. Sugar will give a color to the dish. Now we'll wait for the sugar to caramelize. Once the sugar gets caramelized, we will add the sliced onion into the pan, and we will fry the onion till it turns brown. So let us add the onion and wait for the onion to turn brown. Now when the onion is slowly turning into pink, and now it will turn into brown slowly, and after that we will add the paste, masala paste that we have made with onion, tomato, garlic and chili. We'll put that paste into it and we'll stir for a while so that the masala get roasted nicely. So we'll keep on stirring and roasting the masala. Mix well with the onion, and we'll keep on stirring the masalas nicely to mix it well. Once the masalas are mixed well, we will add the tomatoes. So let us take the tomatoes, and we will add the tomatoes in the masala mix. Now we will add some salt. Salt will be as per your taste, so add some salt. Then we will add chili powder, around 1 teaspoon. Then we'll add haldi, again 1 teaspoon. Then we'll add jeera and dhania powder, again we will add 1 teaspoon. Then we will mix the masalas together nicely and we'll add a little bit of water so that the masalas mix well. Now we'll keep on stirring the masalas. And we'll fry the masala over the heat for some time. After that, we are going to add the pieces of chicken into the masala. So let us take the pieces of chicken, and one by one we will put the chicken inside the pan. After we put the chicken inside the pan, we will mix the chicken with the masala so that the masala gets evenly coated with the chicken. Now we will stir it, mix it well, and we'll fry over the fire so that the masala get roasted. Now the masala is evenly mixed all over the chicken. Now it's time to add the curd. So mix the curd very nicely so that there is no lumps. Then we put the curd over the chicken and we'll put the gas on sim. Now mix the chicken with the masalas and we will cook in low flame. Don't forget to put the gas on low flame. Mix it well and then we will cover the pan and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes so that the chicken is cooked nicely. So let us now put the lid over the pan and we'll leave it for 15 minutes, and the gas should be on low flame. After 15 minutes we'll open the lid and we'll check if the chicken is cooked properly or not. After that we will add a pinch of garam masala to the chicken. Now the main ingredient, as I said, it's methi chicken. So we are going to add dried methi leaves. At the end. So we'll take a handful of methi leaves, dried methi leaves, we'll crush it and we'll put it in the chicken, and after that we'll mix it nicely. We'll give it a proper mix. So after putting the methi leaves, we will mix it well with the masala and then we'll put the gas on high flame and we are almost done. So our methi chicken is almost ready. You can enjoy it with paratha, roti, or even any kind of rice. So bye bye for now. Enjoy your methi chicken.